Deshaun Giotti here, guys, where we talk media, tech, and news. We're going to get into Samsung, the Galaxy S22, and the Exynos 2200 processor. Now, guys, Samsung's official news release said that the Exynos 2200 processor is not canceled. So, regardless of what you may have heard over the internet, what you may have heard rumors and leaks, it ain't true. The Exynos 2200 processor will be delivered in the devices that are going overseas. So, I guess, like here in the States, what's the big fuss about? You never get the device with that processor in it anyway. Still Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processors for the States, so we have to deal with some of those things. Now, it's some big claims made behind the Exynos 2200 as well as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, but the Exynos 2200 is just like, I can't wait to see what this device does. If on paper it's saying that it could do so much, we have to see what it does in the real world. But let's get into a little bit of these features that Samsung is claiming based on this recent report. Now, Exynos 2200 will be able to support a 200 megapixel camera sensor with 8K recording at HDR and 144 Hz refresh rate. Now, that's a big jump from the 120 refresh rate that we're getting currently. Another thing we're talking about, guys, is that this Exynos 2200 is built upon what is known as a 4 nanometer EVU processor. So if you don't really know a lot about tech talk, guys, that's high level tech, that's high level processors. And Samsung also have what is called Eclipse GPU. Now, Eclipse GPU is what's going to provide the graphical performance of the Exynos 2200. Now, this is powered by AMD, which is a RDNA2 architecture, which allows us to get those other graphical performances that we find in next generation of consoles like the PlayStation 5, the Xbox S, and some computer gaming computers as well. So when you see this, guys, that RT, guys, it goes for rate tracing, and then that VRS is variable rate shading. Now, these two things put together is what provide a lot of that graphical performance when we see the high level shading, when we see the shadows, when we see the raindrops that bounce off the vehicle, that pops the game and make it looks like it come more to life. Now, being able to get this on your gaming consoles is like next generation. Now, being able to have it on your smart devices, that's pretty amazing if they can pull it off. Now remember, guys, this is just what they're saying it's capable of. We have to wait until it's tested in the real world to actually see how the performance works and goes. I'm excited to see about it. I'm excited to get my hands on it, but guys, we have to wait until the event, the Unpacked event for Samsung is February the 8th, so we're still about a month out, and every single day we're getting new news, new leaks, new information. Guys, I'm Deshaun Giotti. This is a quick update. I hope this information finds you well. For more information about this and me, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to be notified when I drop new content. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, peace, peace.